This is my warehouse. And inside these boxes behind me, there is over 20 grand's worth of tools, gear, and storage ready to be unboxed. Right here, we've got 2 massive hoists that we're gonna set up. And over there, we've got a blank canvas where we're gonna set up our very own studio. Now, we've only got a couple of days to turn this space into the ultimate content workshop because I just bought my first 4-wheel drive on the other side of the country, sight unseen. Bit more on that later, but first, we've got some work to do. So I've partnered up with SP Tools to kit out the workshop, and they've agreed to send us their biggest toolbox. And of course, I asked for their brightest green. Now this is only pallet 1 of number 5. We've still got the tools to go and the rest of the toolbox, but check this out. I just discovered they're soft closing drawers. Oh my God. Now, before we get into the rest of the unboxing, I'm here with my good mate Mason from Merc Fabrication. And he's here today. He's gonna help us set up some lights with his crane, what is it, cherry picker?
Scissor lift.
Scissor lift. He's gonna help us fit up some lights with his scissor lift, and he's also gonna move the hoist about half a meter this way.
What do you mean?
There's not enough room for my toolbox, mate.
Just bolted them in, mate.
Yeah, but I've now got a big toolbox. It's all right, we don't got to move them that far, only half a meter. We didn't account for wanting to put anything behind. This now needs to go from here to about there so we can fit our new 3-meter toolbox behind it. Mason from Merc Fabrication here in Victoria. If you need hoists or any other workshop stuff done, he's your guy. Let him know I sent you and he'll charge you double price.
Looks like I'm not the only one picking up a new car this week. Yorak just called and asked me to help him bring back his new project. And knowing him, this wasn't going to be an easy car to drive back.
Mr. Hunt, how are we doing, mate? How are we doing?
Never been better.
We're going to go pick up a new car.
I got a brand new car. No one will ever guess what it is. Cost me a total of $1,000. Wait till you see this thing, it'll be worth it. Yeah.
Alrighty, so what have you brought me halfway across the bloody country for?
The greatest car the world has ever seen.
Is that it there?
I'm the beat deal, make it feel, call me fucking Holyfield. When my power turn the bus, bullet turn you into dust.
You've bought another AU.
Can't have enough AU Falcons. It's my first wagon. I've got to complete the fucking set.
You're gonna have a sedan, a ute, and a wagon. This thing's gonna overheat when we get it down the road. It's got an entire ecosystem growing in it, mate.
What do you mean?
I'm not driving this thing home. Can we just get it towed? Look, we don't have coolant. We're barely gonna get power.
It's got more than enough power. It's got 152 kilowatts, I think, from factory. Listen to this. Listen to it purr.
Does it even run?
Oh no, my car won't fucking start. It's all right. When in doubt.
When in doubt, what?
Didn't think that part through.
Yeah, you didn't think anything through, did you?
It doesn't want to start in park for some reason. Only neutral.
I mean, it's running. Can you turn that off? Oh, that does not smell good. All right, well, it looks like we're gonna take off now. I gotta drive this death trap halfway across the bloody country back to the laboratory. Hopefully I don't die and I'll check in with you soon. Alrighty, I've somehow made it back in one piece. I was sitting at the lights and the cabin started to fill up with smoke, so I nearly died. I only had a couple of cockroaches crawl over me. No spiders, thankfully. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to his channels because he will be dropping some durability testing.
Oh, don't tell him. It's a secret.
He's gonna wreck it. So while me and Mr. Hunt were out doing side quests, Mason here has gone and shuffled the hoist into the correct spot that we needed him at, and he's gone and plugged in some lights for us. We're gonna shoot over to the shops, grab a couple more things, and then we're gonna crack on with the transformation of our warehouse.
Hell yeah, kid.
Yeah. Guys, it is now time for the biggest unboxing that has ever happened on this channel. We're gonna get cracked into opening up this toolbox, which is over 3 meters long, comes with over 1,000 pieces.
And weighs more than my Hyundai gets.
Yes, the delivery guy told us that this was almost a ton spread across these 5 pallets. So I'm really keen to get into this. You gonna cooperate with me on this?
I don't plan on doing that. Jarvis, make this shit the Bahamas.
So our directive producer didn't realise our green screens worked, and now
your head is a beach.
All right, let's get into this. So we've got the first bit of the puzzle here. We'll chuck these off to the side for now. Ooh. 74-piece long arm Liber type nutsert set. Ooh. This is exciting. It's like Christmas in what are we, September? Oh!
No way. Is that the quarter drive technician bit set 71 piece? Oh, hell yeah.
And look at this, forged steel wrench.
And got some stickers for the gets. Here's the tool rules. Don't borrow them, don't move them, don't touch them, don't even look at them. 3 new toothbrushes. Holy moly! More spanners than you can put in a stick it.
What are we even supposed to do with this?
Loosen and tighten bolts.
Are these ratchet spanners?
These ones say do not eat, throw away.
Oh! A beautiful set of impact sockets and extensions. So now we don't have to ooga dooga with chromes anymore. We're gonna be real mechanics. I reckon by the end of this video, we're already gonna lose a 10 mil, I guarantee. We've got
Amputator. Put your leg up on the table, boy.
We've got some specialty pliers and a tape measure.
Is that for dentistry?
More Allen keys.
Who the fuck even is Alan? Why's he got so many keys?
More specialised grippers.
Oh! Ball and peen hammer. Holy.
We can play laser tag, but with hammers now.
Oh!
More sockets.
Holy.
Sockets. Sockets.
Holy moly.
Sockets.
Oh, open-ended spanners. Oh, what the?
Whoa!
It's on already.
The lights come pre-lit.
Oh!
Oh!
Torque wrench.
Now we can talk things to spec. We got some wire strippers, mini wire brushes, more torches, got some drill bits.
Briefcase.
We got an oil filter wrench. Oh, that's wicked, beautiful. Feeler set. What the hell does a feeler set do? We got some hollow punches.
Yeah. Key-handle torques, key set.
Oh, we got them again, but in blue.
We've got them again, but in red.
Oil drain plug key set. Ratchet crimper.
Vernier calipers.
Professional bit set.
E-torque socket and spanner kit. Holy moly.
Jeez. We're never gonna have to get tools again. Oh my
Holy
God.
moly.
We've got here some impact sockets for getting wheels off. They've got these little plastic sleeves on them so that they don't scratch your wheels. A magnetic tray. Another work light.
Does it work?
It is a working work light.
Whoa.
We've got another magnetic tray, another magnetic tray, another magnetic tray, another magnetic tray, another magnetic tray,
And another magnetic
another
tray.
magnetic tray, along with another magnetic tray.
And a magnetic bowl. Jeez, we could cook bloody dinner with this set.
Oh. Ooh, this is the one.
Oh,
Yes!
holy.
Yes! Yes! Help me! Ooh. Alrighty, the toolbox is now open and I've made an absolute mess of the place. Why, you might be wondering? Well, you're about to see behind the scenes of how I make these Gmod edits. Yes, these videos take a long time to make. And with a little bit of movie magic, that should look pretty good, I hope. But I'm not gonna really know until I get into the editing. So I hope I did that right. Alrighty, now that all that's out the way, we're on to the next part, which is getting the top part of the toolbox onto the lower half. So to do that, we're gonna drill a couple of holes in the top here. Good thing SP have sent out one of their new drills along with the drill bits that we need to do this. And remember, make sure you're wearing your 2 Savage safety glasses while drilling, cutting, or playing around with metal, because you can't see with a fake leg, but you can walk on a fake, no, that's not the one. Anyway, they come in all sorts of different colors and styles, even non-safety rated versions if that's not quite your thing. So whether you're on the road, at the job site, whatever it be, look good and protect your eyes while doing it. Code Spotto will save you 10% off along with free shipping. So go find one that matches your style at the link in the description, and don't be a tight ass. And just like that, the toolbox is done. This thing comes jam-packed with everything we need to build cars moving forward. And I'll be honest, I don't even know what half of the stuff does. This truly is an example of all the gear and no idea. But this is gonna be an awesome opportunity for me to step outside of my comfort zone and get a bit more hands-on with the builds that we do. So this is gonna be a good learning experience for all of us, except for those of you who know what you're doing, who are gonna give me absolute shit for everything I do wrong. I never would have imagined we'd ever have something like this in our workshop, but here we are. A massive thank you to SP Tools for sending this in. So if you're looking to upgrade your workshop or garage, you know exactly where to go. I'll put a link to their website down below in the description. Go check them out and don't be a tight ass. So now that we've got all the tools walls and 2 massive hoists. It's time to get this place looking pretty. You may have noticed, but our walls look pretty shite, so we're gonna be painting all the way around, hopefully getting us a nicer picture in the videos. In our little studio area here, I've gone and covered up this ugly wall and done my best to seal around the electrical box bit there. I'm no chippy by any means. Now this is the next big thing that we're gonna do. Welcome to this crack den that we call our office. I'm gonna be laying down some carpet and replacing these crusty blinds with some nicer curtains. As you can see, Yorak has already gone and made an attempt to block out the light in his cardboard style fashion with rubbish bags. I've just discovered there's a leak up here and it's dripping all over the blinds and onto the floor, so I'm probably gonna have to do the curtains another day so we don't get them all stinky and moldy. But for now, I'm gonna clear out this space, give it a good sweep and lay down some carpet. We've got an exciting upgrade that we did off camera. We've now got stairs so we can access the top of our roof. But they weren't long enough. So for the time being, we've got these dumbbell racks just to, you know, help us get up the stairs until I can come up with something, oh shit, something a bit more secure, but just a temporary thing to help us get up there for now. But have a look at this. Look at all this extra space we've got up here. I don't know exactly what we're gonna use this space for. It's not really suitable for holding too much weight, so probably just storage of bits and pieces, or I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions of what we can do with this, let me know. But either way, you get a pretty cool view of the workshop from up here. You can see all the mess we're yet to clean up, and this new fridge I got. However, it is a little, I think we'll start off with giving this a quick wash, eh? Conveniently enough, this thing is on wheels. A little bit of disinfectant should do the trick to get rid of the stink. There we go, beautiful. A perfect opportunity to showcase our Giraffe Tools wall-mounted pressure washer. Discount code and link in the description. Now, I think these come out to about 30 meters or 100 feet for you Americans. We'll go with the green nozzle here for no specific reason. Oh! All right, time to get rid of all the stank.
Now, my mic died here, but I found this sauce packet that the previous owner left in the fridge. You can't hear me, but just imagine my excitement. Now, the last step to transform this place was to get the walls painted. Unfortunately, I completely ran out of time because I needed to get ready for my flight over to Perth for this upcoming 4x4 build and event. So we just had an actual painter come in and do it in a fraction of the time it would have taken me. But man, the warehouse is looking pretty good.
And here's the reveal. The walls are now painted. How much better does this all look? Now, I know the place looks like an absolute bombshell because we've had to move everything away from the walls to the, you know, for the painters to paint. We've gone with a nice dark grey all the way around the workshop to really make the green pop. And before any of you give us crap about the poor job that was done up here, we didn't do that. This was how the previous occupants left this place, and there was no way I was going to go up and do the whole wall because that was going to be fucking expensive. But the grey with a clean cut is just enough to really make the place look a bit more tidy. We're also probably not going to do much with the floors because I got a good feeling that they're just going to get wrecked anyway. I mean, drift bin's already been leaking coolant over our nicely organized cardboard. You can imagine how these floors would get absolutely wrecked as, you know, we begin to do more car builds. Speaking of builds, you might be wondering what that 4-wheel drive was I mentioned. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just bought a GQ short wheelbase patrol on the other side of Australia that we're going to be announcing at where, Tyson?
The Bust Down.
The Bust Down event over in Perth on what day?
18th, 19th of October, Melbourne on the 25th of October, and Queensland on the 26th of October.
That's right. So we're going to be doing a tour around Australia and Perth. You guys will be seeing this 4-wheel drive first.
It's a shitbox.
No, it's good. Yeah, no, he's not joking. This thing, it's not looking good. I've pretty well got to go jump on a flight to Perth now because I've dug myself in a hole here to get this thing ready for the event in about a week. I've fucked it, guys. This is not looking good. In 10 days, we got this wrap for the last Bust Down event. So what could a 4-wheel drive hurt? You know, a patrol, I'm sure it's free of rust and has all of its bushings. And I bet the suspension's in nick condition with good wheels and tires. It's
probably drivable too.
The joke is, guys, it's not fucking drivable. This thing's fucked. But anyway, Perth, 18th of October and the 19th of October, we're going to be at the Bust Down event. The event info will be down in the description. And for those of you in Melbourne and Queensland, we will also see you soon. I forgot to mention, it's already barra swapped. No, it doesn't have a turbo, so back off. It'll happen. Just be patient. Fucking one thing at a time. We're going to get this thing running first.
The next and last thing to do other than cleaning up was install installing the new hex lights. The first side I just drilled into the office wall, but the other side I got creative and used these jack chains we had laying around because I couldn't be bothered getting a masonry bit from Bunnings. And along with some professional wiring, the hex lights were in. Ignore my spare drift wheels, I don't have a home for them yet. But anyway, these lights will change the way we can film our videos and display our builds. The warehouse is now finally looking like a workshop. It's come such a long way in such a short time, from a completely empty box of concrete to now everything we need to start smashing out builds. We've got more tools and storage than we know what to do with. We've installed hoist, allowing us to not only work on our cars up in the air, but store more builds. We've got questionable stairs that give us access to more storage to hide some of the clutter away. The office is finally looking a little nicer. Still yet to tidy it up and sort the curtains out, but I'll do that eventually. And of course, we gave the whole place a makeover with darker paint to really make the colors pop. You may have also seen this Lamborghini bar lurking in the background. I chucked a photo up on my Instagram teasing it and got an overwhelming amount of DMs from you lot. So let me know what you think I should do with it. Drop a comment below. We've still got tons more to do. So if you want to stay up to date with the journey of our builds and warehouse, make sure you hit that subscribe button below.